smoky room with your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues.
Super excited for today. Going to pick up the side skirts and mud guards for the Z. So we're waiting all week for this. I'm going to head down to San Diego. So yeah, see you guys when we get by San Onofre State Beach. That's Songs, San Onofre Nuclear Generating Station. So pretty cool. You guys probably know it for something else, but yeah, that's what it is. About an hour and 10 minutes into the drive now. Still got another like 30 minutes. I'm not exactly sure what city I'm in. I think I'm just about to pass into San Diego County right now. I got about another 30 minutes, like I said. Yeah, so starting to get excited. So basically this is an IONIC Dynamics OEM replica kit for the Z32. It's basically just, it mimics the 99 to 2000 J-Spec kit. So I think it should look really good. He does a great job. I've seen some of his posts on Instagram. Puts a lot of work into his stuff, so make sure you guys go check him out. That'd be sick. All right, I'll see you guys when we get there. Okay, we're in Chula Vista now, just on the 5. About to get off in like 5 miles, I think, so should be pretty sick. So we'll just see what happens when we get there. Just got everything picked up. Jose's a really cool guy. We talked for a few minutes just about our cars and stuff like that. I told him my future plans with my Z, but really cool guy. So make sure you guys go check out IONIC Dynamics on Instagram. I'll leave a link to their website too in the description. But it's a really cool business and cool guys. So I'll let you guys know when I make it home. Okay, so I'm finally home. I got the side skirts and then the rear mud guards. So I mean, this is the bottom of it right now, but it doesn't like to sit upright. So basically, just looks exactly like the OEM 99 to 2000 J-Spec body. Came with some hardware too. So big thanks to Jose. He did a really good job, him and his team, with all this stuff. I got the other mud guard right there. Kind of. So this is the driver's side one. It kind of just sits like that, and the wheel is like right here. So yeah, I'm gonna get these all painted up in a bit. I'm gonna paint them gloss black. I think it'll look good just until I can get the whole car painted yellow pearl like it is right now, just fresh paint. So I think it should look good. So we'll see. Just for better reference, that's what it should look like, except just attached a little bit nicer. And I'll bring the side skirt out right now. Bag of screws is still in there. We got the dog too. Right, got the side skirts outside. I'm just gonna paint them up real quick with that same gloss black as I used for the trim pieces. If I have to go buy more, Home Depot's like 2 minutes away from my house, so pretty good. Just realized I need to take that. So the one thing I heard about working with fiberglass is before you paint it, you always want to wipe it off with isopropyl alcohol. So I just got this 91%. Or honestly just any rubbing alcohol, just to make sure you get all the dust and stuff off before you paint. So yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick, and then get the first coat done. Just a little bit of black on there, just so that the rest of the paint can stick. Not really anything done yet, but got all the little parts of it done. Just a little dusting, so it's easier to hit for the second time. Number 2 is done. So this is a gloss paint, but it's not really going to pick up any gloss until clear coated. I think I'm definitely going to have to wet sand this whole thing and go at it again. There's some like hair that keeps getting in it, like dog hair. I don't know, probably just coming off my shirt or something, but you can already see like It's really not that bad with orange peel. I mean, it looks pretty bad, but when there's more coats on there, it's gonna look a heck of a lot better. I did a pretty heavy coat on that one. I never really learned. So I did a heavy coat on that one. I'm just gonna start on these and wait for that to dry. So I got one hanging, one sitting there. We'll see how different they turn out. Should be pretty good. Got the last couple coats on. I also did the clear. I had to do it pretty quick because it was starting to get kind of windy, so there's pollen everywhere. So that's why, like, if I get real close, you can see the spotting. But that's the reason I clear coated, so I could pretty much wet sand that out if I have to. It's gonna cause it to look pretty bad, but I mean, probably end up repainting these anyways. And then if we go over here, almost ran into it. So there's this. This is the mud guard. Haven't cleared this yet. So you got a little bit of run right there. But that's like under the car, so you're not gonna see it. A lot of orange peel. I haven't touched these with clear yet. This one's looking really nice, I think. The lighting's not real good, but almost no run in this one. There's a little bit of orange peel, but like I said, I can always wet sand, and I'm probably gonna end up repainting these anyways. This is just to get them on the car. Basically for now, so they're gonna be, it's really, really orange peely, but honestly, you know, it's gonna be sticking their head down into my side skirts, I would hope. You can always wet sand. Like I said multiple times now, it's not gonna be a big deal. Honestly, it's not too terrible. It's gloss. That's all that matters. Call it satin if we want. So it's kind of hard to film, and you can probably see why. It's been raining for like the past 8 hours or something like that, but got everything on. I had a friend come over and help me. Shout out to Andy. So sorry I did not get any of this filmed, but it took so long to do, and it was just way easier to get it done. And I'll show you guys after. So probably end up posting a bunch of pictures somewhere in the video, but it's really good now. The only thing to complete the black look is that still in front lip. So I also bring the lower lip out to like right here, and I'll probably paint that up black until the whole thing can get painted in the yellow pearl again. But I don't know, I'm kind of liking how it looks in black. So let me know what you guys think.